instrument of the living God, more than the songs I sing. Hear the song of my life. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound.